Okay, welcome back to Vernon Speakeasy YouTube. I'm your host, Josh Morey. Today we'll be making a very classic whiskey-forward cocktail, the Mint Julep. Now, this one's very simple. You don't need to shake it. Bourbon of choice, the Old Forester, we stand by, and it's in your cocktail kit, readily available. Next up, simple syrup. And last but not least, fresh mint. Now, actually, you're also going to need a couple other things, but they're readily available also. Just a towel of some type. Any blunt objects. We have a nice, violent mallet. The thought process here is you want to make pebbled ice. And it's a very classic cocktail. It's served for the Kentucky Derby. Let's go ahead and start by, in your mule tin, go ahead and add ½ an ounce of simple syrup. Now, if you can see the mint here, it's basically just suspended in some water, soda water. This will help it keep longer. If you don't keep it in your fridge and you have it out maybe for a party, this does the trick for a full shift for us. I want to take 8 to 10 pieces of it. And what we do with our herbs is we slap it first. I teach cocktail classes here, by the way, and I always tell people, hit it like you mean it, like it owes you some money. It helps express those oils. So after you do that, you're gonna toss it right into your mule tin. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and muddle it. We won't have these for sale here. You can purchase them from us. Go ahead and muddle this. Again, this is just further expressing that mint oil flavor and aroma with your simple syrup. 10, 12, 15 of these. Don't go crazy. That's all you really need. Old Forester, 1½ ounces. Beautiful. I'm gonna set this off to the side. We're gonna forget about it for a second. I'm gonna set up my bag. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a scoop or 2 of ice. Let's do 3 because I want a nice snow cone on the top. Make sure no ice comes out and go to town. So I'm gonna lift this up so we can see it a little bit. We basically made pebbled ice. We're gonna just pack this ice in there. It's gonna look like a snow cone when it's done. These are meant to be served hot outside. It's Kentucky Derby. Everyone's got their sundresses on, those big hats. Now I'm making this for myself. If you're gonna serve these for other people, maybe put some gloves on. But go ahead and just make sure that that snow cone is nice and complete there. I'm gonna take the back of my spoon. You can do this with a straw also. Just make a little hole. We're gonna garnish with a nice mint bouquet. Now don't be stingy with your mint. You want it to look nice and pretty. So again, I'm getting 3 or 4 sprigs here. I'm getting them all together. I'm gonna take some of the stems off the edge. And again, give it a good smack. Put them all back together till it forms a nice bouquet. Beautiful. That's your mint julep. Cheers, everybody. I added a straw because after the fact, I noticed that you probably couldn't drink through the top of a snow cone. As far as tasting notes are concerned, you get a little bit of sweetness from your simple syrup. Your bourbon is there. It's potent, but it's not overwhelming. And that mint brings it all together. It's so nice. Cheers, making a mint julep. Thanks for tuning into the Vernon Speakeasy YouTube channel. Tune in for more videos coming soon. We also have all of this equipment here to purchase from us. Come in, have some dinner, celebrate a special occasion. Come into the bar top, listen to some music. Other than that, see you soon. Bye-bye.